guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can close your face using stickers on CapCut PC. Now, 8 Moves already wears a mask, so I'm just going to, use his videos as an example. Sorry. And I am going to select the emoji one. You can use any that you want. And I'm going to select like this one, for instance, and I'm going to download it first and add it to the timeline. Now we are going to drag it like here, and as you can see, there's keyframes in position and size, so add a keyframe at the beginning. And he does move quite a lot, so you are going to want to move the sticker like keyframe per keyframe to cover that up. Like here, as you can see, it moves again, and then like on the second frame kind of moves again, and then here it moves again. So you're just going to want to go frame by frame to basically cover up his face right here, and again, and just do that until you're done basically. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.